Wow, look at over there. Look at the locusts are starting to...
Yeah, they think it's nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Big difference.
Oh, look at that. Woo-hoo!
Is it gone?
It's gone, look. Look where you can see it right now.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Beautiful.
The lights are on.
Thank heavens the clouds opened up a little.
Yeah.
Man, look at it out.
Oh, perfect. Click, click. Got you on movie. Now, is that sky over there going to go dark or not?
Over there?
Yeah.
I don't know.
That might be the sunset effect they were talking about.
Yeah. Sunrise, sunset. Looks like sunrise or sunset over here. Oh, the clouds.
Thought it was going to be pitch dark. Oh, great. Now it's getting lighter. Oh.
The corona.
It's coming out of it now.
Well, it hasn't been 2 minutes, has it? Or maybe it has.
No, but we're lighter. This is all light, a lot lighter now. Didn't take long. Did not take long. Yeah, it's bright now.